gonna die, aren't I?
Go. Habanero, white bullet pepper. Keep chewing. Swallow. That's the hottest legal pepper right there.
Swallow!
Yeah.
Oh! You took a nibble of it.
She did better than a chili
You can't eat the
pepper.
whole thing. Just put it in your mouth, break the stem off, and chew it. Swallow it.
You really want to. I will help you through this if you don't swallow that.
What?
Because you're going to be going through pain.
Wow. Doesn't hurt going in, it hurts going out.
Well,
Good.
chew it a few times and
We don't
swallow
wanna
it. Chew
bite
it a few times and swallow it. Don't do it like me, just keep chewing it.
Burns.
Or you can end it. It's going to keep burning.
What?
Might as well eat it fast.
Hurry up and eat it.
You don't want to eat it?
1, 2, 3, eat.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh.
Swallow it.
Swallow. Swallow.
Swallow.
Oh, no, we're going to the drink with it. Oh, look. I can't swallow it.
You didn't swallow it?
Okay.
You have to. Swallow it. It goes away. It burns when it stays in your mouth.
You gotta swallow it.
The burn's gonna keep
make
going.
it worse.
You have to swallow it.
Oh, God.
You don't have the cup.
So your gas is gonna burn the wire off. Okay.
Oh, my God. Oh.
That'll help. 2 seconds.
Yo.
That is horrible.
Forward. They'll cure the burn for about 5 minutes.
You'll feel it digest too. Yeah, you're doing better than the people on YouTube.
That is horrible.
You just had a little dinky thing. You got one left.
I'm gonna take it. Those are actually hotter than those.
I got 2 left. Two there.
Oh.
I don't think Garrett's compared to that little thing she had.
Yeah.
I can't get the taste out of my mouth.
You won't for a while.
Here's my second one.
I got the hiccups when I ate.
A little bit of the juice came out in my mouth.
Oh. I'm gonna do the bottom. I can put more water in there.
Yeah, make sure you wash your fingers off.